first step is to remove any existing base cover to access the anchor bolts. As you can see here, the pole has rusted all the way through and is at risk of failing. Remove any debris from the base plate, anchor bolts, and footing. Remove the handhold cover. Remove dry pack as needed to provide water drainage. We recommend drilling at an angle away from the center to avoid hitting conduits. Then blow air into the drainage hole. If dust comes out the other end, the hole is large enough. Next, apply a rust encapsulating paint on the base, anchor bolts, and inside the pole. We recommend using Eastwood internal frame coating. You will need to move the wires out of the way to do this. Always follow proper lockout, tagout procedures to ensure power is off and stay safe. Always confirm wires are not energized. To avoid painting the wire makeups, we recommend pulling the wires out of the handhole before painting. Next, remove the old anchor bolts. Be sure to remove only one at a time to prevent the pole from falling over. Replace the old anchor bolts with thread extenders. There must be at least the width of the bolt in usable anchor bolt thread. Excess anchor bolt thread must be cut off to ensure that the thread extender gets tight on the pole base and does not bottom out on top of the anchor bolt. Next, you can install your washers on your thread extenders and the pole repair kit braces. Each brace gets a triangle washer and nut. In some cases, you will need to grind or cut away the handhole stiffener so the round tapered pole repair kit bracket fits flush and plumb to the pole. We recommend applying paint to the notches to prevent rusting. Once all 4 braces have been put into place, you can install the remaining triangle washers and nuts. Tighten the nuts. If the top of the bracket pulls away from the pole as you tighten the nut, stop and loosen the nut. Hold the bracket tight to the pole with the strap to drill holes in the pole. Drill 13 16-inch holes in the pole using the round tapered pole repair kit braces as a template. Be sure to start at the top hole and work your way down. We recommend using cooling fluid while drilling the holes. Next, put all your box bolts in place for all the braces. Use the box bolt wrench to hold the outer bolt from turning as you tighten the inner break-off bolt. Tighten the box bolt until the head breaks off at 59 foot-pounds. We recommend using a small cordless impact to tighten most of the way, about 50 foot-pounds. It is important not to put excess side load on the bolt. Continue this process for all box bolts. Once all box bolts are torqued, tighten the anchor bolts. Torque the anchor bolts on each pole repair kit brace. The torque spec varies per nut size. Repeat this process for all 4 anchor bolts. Place the wires back in the handhole and return the handhole cover. With the textured hair celled side up, apply ABS glue to the slot side of the cone base cover. Wrap the cone base cover around the pole and insert the tabs into the slots. Apply ABS glue to the inside of the cone base cover cap. Install the cap on the cone base cover. You can use tape to help hold the cap in place. For a watertight seal, use the paintable caulking to seal the gaps between the cap and the pole and along the vertical seam. Leave gaps in the bottom caulking to allow any moisture to escape. Using a color matching paint, paint the cone base cover, cap, and caulking to match the pole. Paint will increase the UV rating and the lifespan of the cone base cover. The cone base cover may also be painted with a fluorescent color to make the poles easier for drivers to see. For more information, you can visit our website or contact Light Pole Systems today.